Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you all charging methods for your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 100. And the first one is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. Then, at the right side on your speaker, we have the plug. You need to open this plug. And here's USB-C port. So connect USB-C cable right to this port. Now, the most important is to check the LED light on your power button. If you see it, meaning that your speaker is charging. The second option is to use your phone to charge your speaker, and all you need to have for this, just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. And the second one to your speaker. Again, we need to check the LED light, we have it, so it also works. The third option is to use USB-A to USB-C cable, and you can charge your speaker from, let's say, your PC. Connect USB-C cable to USB-C port. And now I'm going to connect USB-A cable to my PC. And we need to check again the LED light, so it also charging your speaker. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!